Hey everybody, it's your boy Lowe's Trades, and I wanted to discuss my recent failure with that 150K account. So it's just I'm very disappointed in myself, and I figured I might as well put it out there, get it off of my chest, and then the rest of this week I'm gonna focus on getting myself right, meditating, and just getting prepared for the week. Because this is literally what's going to stop not just myself but anybody that wants to be consistently profitable. This is the number one thing that's always going to come through and screw you over is the lack of discipline to stick to your game plan. So today's Friday, right? I did not wake up on time. I decided to sleep in. Since I decided to sleep in, I should have never even opened up the market. I should have just kept it closed, right? I should have kept my trading view closed. I'm currently at work. I thought I saw a setup on oil and I got stopped out. I took a sell right here. Price started going against me. As y'all can see, price did come down, right? But since in my head, in the way that I'm looking at this potential chart, I see this as a demand area right here by that doji. I'm also viewing this area potentially as higher lows being created, right? So up, coming down to eventually create a higher low to create a higher high. But here's the issue with that. First of all, it's Friday. The market's about to close. The markets are about to close. What the heck am I doing trading? Okay, so that's where I messed up with oil. Secondly, this is one thing that I think was beautiful, right? If I would have this demand zone down here, which again, I will show you guys based off of the 1 hour, we have that beautiful demand right here, right? Price came in, tapped it. Just to show you guys, right? I would have been up looking at the market around this time, right? Let's say I'm waiting. Boom, we get tap in here, 5-minute break of structure there, 9:30. I enter, I get stopped out. We're waiting again. 10:15, another opportunity. This trade would have went 3 RR. This is not a trade that I took. This is a hypothetical, which I'm going to add to my playbook to continue to reaffirm that if I wait and I'm patient and I trust my process, I will be successful. Not when I'm doing random trading, see setups, and gambling. Now, NASDAQ is really what took me out. I entered right here, and just so you guys can better see it, I entered around this area off of this bearish candle. Price came up, stopped me out. I believe I decided to sell again around, I decided to sell again, I believe once the candle, actually, yeah, this was it. This was the trade. Because I took the L's on oil, then I sold here, started coming against me, and yeah, I violated the 4% drawdown rule that they have. But regardless of the fact, I just want to bring this up again. We look in the daily time frame. We're bullish, 4 hour. Again, look at this massive bullish candle. What the heck am I doing selling? 1 hour, right? Is there any demands for me to buy? All the way down here. But other than that, why am I selling? Like, why are you selling? And more importantly, why are you selling and why are you trying to take a trade? It's Friday, man. You should have woke up earlier. You should have woken up. You decided not to. You decided to sleep in. So have the discipline to sit on your hands and say, I'm going to wait till Monday. But yeah, guys. So I paid to reset the account. I'm gonna move forward differently. My goal from now is to just really, you know, again, I'm not the when it comes to risk, that doesn't really bother me. I'm not afraid to risk if it's a A plus setup. This was not an A plus setup. This was pure gambling. The oil trade. That was again, the setup was there for oil. The setup is here for oil, but it's Friday. The market's about to close. There was no reason for me to be trading. This is me holding myself accountable, me letting you guys know, because this is real life. I'm here to become a full-time trader. My goal is to quit this job, to not ever have to return to any job. I want to get 500K funding and eventually move on to 800K. And that's something that I'm gonna make happen. And I'm gonna do whatever it takes. Whatever it takes. Whatever changes I need to make, I'm gonna make them here and now. But without further ado, guys, thank you for tuning in. It's your boy Low Straits. Peace.